Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare how to learn Python using VS Code. First, ensure you have Python installed on your computer, then download and install Visual Studio Code. Next, open VS Code and navigate to the extensions view to search for and install the official Python extension. This extension provides rich support for Python development, including IntelliSense, debugging, and testing. Finally, configure your interpreter path to ensure VS Code uses the correct Python version for your projects. This foundational setup is crucial for a smooth learning experience. VS Code offers powerful features that greatly assist in learning Python. IntelliSense provides smart code completion, parameter info, and quick info, making it easier to write correct code and understand functions. The integrated debugger allows you to set breakpoints, step through your code line by line, and inspect variables, which is invaluable for understanding program flow and finding errors. Additionally, managing virtual environments directly within VS Code helps keep your project dependencies organized and isolated from your system's global Python installation, preventing conflicts. To further enhance your Python learning, leverage VS Code's advanced capabilities. Jupyter notebooks are excellent for interactive data analysis and experimentation, allowing you to run code cells incrementally and visualize results. Integrating linting tools like Pylint or Flake8, along with formatters such as Black, helps maintain consistent, readable code, which is a best practice for any developer. Furthermore, VS Code's robust Git integration simplifies version control, enabling you to track changes, collaborate with others, and manage your projects efficiently. As you continue your Python journey, remember to utilize the vast resources available. The official Python documentation is an invaluable reference for language features and libraries. Engaging with online communities, such as Stack Overflow or Reddit's Python subreddits, provides opportunities to ask questions, share knowledge, and learn from experienced developers. Also, for a smarter home, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Check the description for a link to this amazing robot vacuum and other great deals. Keep practicing regularly, build small projects, and don't be afraid to experiment. Consistency is key to mastery.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.